In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin and Ethereum in under 5 minutes. I'm Louise Elizabeth and welcome to Every Bit Helps. I really hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you do, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and step-by-step guides. If you want to buy cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, then I'm going to show you how to in just 5 minutes. I'll show you how you can send your funds from a Revolut app over to Coinbase, then to Coinbase Pro to purchase my crypto with a limit order. And in a second video, I'll show you how to send and safely store your funds over on a Ledger Nano, as Coinbase is not a recommended place to store your funds, as you don't have access to your private keys and therefore less control over your funds. Also, if you are new to Coinbase and you want to sign up, I've got a link where you can get $10 of Bitcoin for free by depositing $100 into your account. And I'll pop links into all of these platforms that I use today in the summary below. So firstly, over on Coinbase, I'm from the UK and will be buying with GBP today, so I'll need to access that account. However, my balance is currently at 0, so I'll need to deposit some funds. So I'll click on to deposit, and then I'll be shown my reference number, which I'll need to use when transferring my funds. So what we need to do is copy that, and then tick the box once you've copied those and click on to continue. And on this screen, we can then see we've got all of the bank details with the account number, etc. that we need to send our funds to. So we'll head over to Revolut account. Now, if this is a new payment, you can click onto new in the top right hand corner, or as you can see, I've already got them set up. So I'm going to click onto that account and then I'm going to click on to send. I'm going to be sending across £1,000, and then this is where it's really important that you add that reference number. And the reason for that is so that they can map this transaction with your Coinbase account. And once that's done, you can send. And as you can see, this has now been successful. Now, one thing to mention is that you'll also notice that over on Revolut, you can actually purchase crypto. But this isn't something that I'd personally recommend, as you don't get access to your private keys, your funds are not safeguarded, and you can only send crypto to other Revolut users. So heading back to Coinbase, I can click onto the icon here that says I've sent the funds, and as it states here, it can take up to 3 days. However, I'll tell you shortly how long this all takes, and we can see here from the screen that the funds have now been deposited. Now heading over to Coinbase Pro so that we can buy our crypto, what we want to do is click onto Portfolios in the top right here, and we're going to deposit, and the type of funds that we're going to be depositing is GBP. And we're going to be transferring that across from Coinbase. The amount is going to be £1,000, so I'm going to click onto max, and as you can see here, there are 0 fees for that. So I'm just going to click onto deposit. Now from here, you can see that it's 11:07, and I actually started all of this at 11:02. So that process has taken about 5 minutes as opposed to the 3 days that is stated earlier. But we'll go into our trade now. So if we select our market, the first thing I'm going to do is buy Ethereum with GBP. And under balances, I've got my £1,000, and I've actually already got 10 ETH in here, which I'm going to be topping up. So if I go to create a limit order, and that way I can define my own price. And if I say the amount of ETH that I'd like to buy, which is 5, and then the price that I'd like to pay. And once you're ready, you can click onto place buy order. And you can see that order appearing under open orders, and you can also see it appearing in the order book. Now, just while we wait for that to complete, I'll go ahead and buy my Bitcoin too. So the market for this trade is going to be Bitcoin to GBP. And I'm going to choose a limit order again. Now for the price here, you can usually click onto the numbers here in green, and it will then automatically populate over on this field. However, unfortunately, that's not working today for some reason. So I'm just going to type in that amount, and then I'm going to buy the maximum amount that I can for my funds. So if I just click onto buy order again, and it's now showing in my order book and in open orders. But we'll head back to our Ethereum order now to see if that's filled. So it's currently showing up in the top of the order book here, and now it's just filled. So now that's all done, I'll head back to my Bitcoin trade. And as you can see, that's under fills here, and it's completed in just a few seconds ago. And in here, it also shows me my associated fee. So if I just take a look at my portfolio now, I can see that I have those 5 extra ETH in here showing up, as well as my extra Bitcoin too. And the next step now is to transfer your funds and secure them safely. Now, this is the way that I personally buy my crypto and have done over the past few years. Obviously, there are other ways, such as buying with a debit or credit card, but some of these can incur additional fees for this convenience. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.